Okay, so good day guys. In today's video, we are going to be creating the shear wall. So what we have to do now is, first of all, we need to unlock it. So let's unlock this model. Okay. So once you unlock it, you'll now be able to edit whatever you want to do. So let's go to plan and let's go to the roof plan, since it will be typical for. So come to all stories. Okay. So I know the shear wall is somewhere around this axis. So we selected all stories, highlight this, then deselect this. Okay. So let's deselect it and let's delete it. Okay. So we deleted this for our shear wall space. So let's see if typical flaws are like that. So typical flaws are like that. Now we want to draw the shear wall around this place. So don't forget, since it's on all stories, whatever we do here will be replicated on all floors. So let's come here, pick this, draw wall plan, and choose the one you want. Okay. So now let me put it on auto peer. Select it on auto peer. Yes, let's do it. Let's ETABS define the peer itself. We'll select it and let's start drawing our shear wall. So we have one like this. Now the thing, probably what I want to say is that where we need the shear wall more is to face this place, this point and this point. We need it to face this point because the seismic is going like this, so we need something stiffer in this direction and the other direction. So we'll check with this direction initially given to us by the architect if it's going to be sufficient, if this wall alone is going to be sufficient enough for it. If not, we'll advise him to create an opening for the lead shaft around there and reconfigure it, because we want the place our shear walls like this, the major axis of our shear walls like this. So let's just draw what we have. Okay, so select it, draw. Okay, then sorry, because it is on draw. Sorry, let me delete this and let me put on all storage. Okay, delete it so I can get something. Let me just use one story so it doesn't take my time, and we'll do it now. Properties, yes. Okay, okay, okay. So we are done with that. All we just do is highlight this shear wall so you can look at it. 4 joints, 1 frame, and 12 selected objects. Okay, so let's copy it, replicate it from 15th floor to typical floor. So you can notice I selected the roof and deselect the ground floor. So click OK. So let's see our structure in 3D. Okay, so this is what we want. Now what we need to do is to place the foundation of our shear wall. So let me close story response and let's go to plan, ground floor. Click OK. So once we are done with that, we know that this is the footing of the shear wall. This is the footing of the shear wall. This is the footing. So what I need to do is, if my shear wall is the one taking my displacement, that is my wind and earthquake, all I need to do is fix it, because the shear wall is just a long cantilever. So the remaining ones are just coming to the columns are just taking the gravity load, whilst the shear wall is the one taking the lateral load the most. So let's assign it and make it fixed. So I feel like a long cantilever, restrain and fix it. Okay, so we've done that. So you can select this and look at it. Okay, then come here to select it and see it. Okay, so the next thing you can do is to run your analysis and let's check model. So let's put it on 25 millimeters. Select or click OK. So it takes a little while. If there is no error after this, now after this we'll run the analysis. So to save time, in the next video we'll make the analysis open. Thank you very much.